Module 9. This is going to be the digestive system, which is Chapter 11. Many people find that this is probably one of their least favorite systems that they want to learn about. However, it's very important that we have a digestive system to eliminate all of our waste products, or at least the solid waste products. So the digestive system is composed of what we consider the gastrointestinal tract. GI is the abbreviation for that, which includes the esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, and accessory organs. This will include the liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas. The functions of the system are to prepare food for use by the body, cells, and eliminate waste. So in this module, you're going to recognize and use medical terms that are all related to the digestive system. Make sure that you're reading your Chapter 11. Complete this chapter in your medical terminology book prior to continuing on with the rest of the activities. Look through your Module 9 PowerPoint. This may provide some helpful information that you might be able to use throughout the rest of the module. Do the different assessment activities. You have a Screening for Life activity, which is about colorectal cancer and how this can be not so much prevented, but why the screening is there. All you're going to be doing is taking a short quiz, reading through information, and then submitting a screenshot of that. You also have a pronunciation assessment for this Chapter 11, as usual, and then your assessment exam and spelling quiz.